Jessa Duggar shared sweet photos of her two kids just hours before her older brother Josh appears in court for his CP trial. The Counting on alum, 29, ignored the controversy as she posted snaps of son Spurgeon, 6, and daughter Ivy, 2, on Instagram. Jessa captured Ivy, who she shares with husband Ben Seawald, smiling at the camera at the Duggars' Thanksgiving family party. She included a cute video of the toddler saying, "I'm 2, my favorite color is purple and green. I like to eat blueberries, strawberries, and I like Fern." Ivy then goes over to her newborn baby sister Fern and gives her a sweet kiss on the forehead. Jessa captioned the shoot, "A few days ago, Ivy turned 2.5. Swipe over to hear a little life update in her own words. The TLC star also showed fans just how much Spurgeon looks like her by posting comparison photos of herself as a baby compared to her son. "I think he looks a little like me," she wrote alongside it. The posts come just hours before Josh appears in court after pleading not guilty to 2 CP counts. He was accused of possessing sick images of CP that were the worst of the worst that authorities had ever seen. Homeland Security Special Agent Gerald Faulkner said in May that downloads made from a specific file were in the top 5 of the worst that I've ever had to examine. It has been said that Josh's trial could last until December 3rd. If found guilty, he faces up to 20 years in prison. The former 19 Kids and Counting star is on home confinement until his trial this week and has been living with third-party custodians LeCount and Maria Reber, who are longtime friends of Jim Bob and his wife Michelle. The Arkansas judge on the case ordered Josh to wear a GPS ankle monitor. Josh's wife Anna, who welcomed their 7th child, daughter Madison, in October, is standing by her husband. He has unlimited access to his children with Anna present. On Monday, Josh's father Jim Bob had to testify on behalf of the prosecution. The 56-year-old was slammed for insisting he can't remember the details of Josh's scandal. In 2015, the Counting on patriarch had told police that Josh, 33, had confessed to touching underage girls in the family home between 2002 and 2003. On Monday, however, Jim Bob repeatedly claimed he couldn't remember the details of Josh's admissions that he had touched the victims, who were called Jane Does 1 to 4, People reported. "This was something for a young man to come forward," he said, calling it a juvenile record and a sealed case. The reality star then claimed "I can't remember" when asked about In Touch's 2015 report on the scandal, and called it tabloid information. He said to Judge Timothy L. Brooks, "I'm not going to allow it, are you going to allow for that?" He did, however, recall Josh telling him and wife Michelle in 2002 about inappropriately touching a minor, but claimed he couldn't remember his son's exact words. "We were shocked this had happened, but we were thankful he came on his own and told us," he said. "He had told me that he had touched some of the girls when they were sleeping on their breasts, they didn't wake up." The TLC alum added that he and Michelle took Josh to the police in 2006, saying, "Josh confessed everything to Arkansas State Police. We tried to handle things in-house. It was a very difficult time in our family's life." In 2015, In Touch Weekly uncovered a 33-page Arkansas police report. The police report revealed Jim Bob confessed to local authorities that Josh fondled the breasts and genitals of 5 young girls while they were asleep in the family home. Josh admitted the accusation in a statement at the time on his Facebook page. He said, "12 years ago, as a young teenager I acted inexcusably for which I am extremely sorry and deeply regret. I hurt others, including my family and close friends. I confessed this to my parents who took several steps to help me address the situation. We spoke with the authorities where I confessed my wrongdoing, and my parents arranged for me and those affected by my actions to receive counseling.